That's James.
Hello, mate.
Right, so we're fitting a staircase today. We've got Mark here from Surrey Staircases. Brilliant service. We'll come out, measure up, go away, works it all out. Got a nice little drawing, little computer CAD drawing. Is it CAD?
That's it, it's CAD drawing.
CAD drawing. Gets it sent through. I can show the clients that as well. They like to see what it's going to look like. And then he turns up and fits it.
Come back, we fit them.
Now, Mark, you have been off sick for a little while, haven't you? Can you tell me what happened here? Because I think James bears some responsibility here.
Well, about 8 weeks ago we measured it, and it was my fault. As I came out, I slipped and landed across the window opening. Thought myself, it doesn't really matter much, hurt a bit. 3 days later, carted off to the hospital, cracked ribs, double lung infection, and something else called costochondritis.
So how many weeks were you off work?
We had 7 weeks off with that one.
Oh my goodness.
So, anyway, first time ever, 40 years doing this, and first time ever off. But
Really?
goes to show you can't be too careful.
And that was because you tried to get up through that window. And it's very unusual, this building, isn't it? Because there's no staircase between the first and between the ground and first floor. So that's unusual, isn't it? Normally you've got a way in.
Normally we do have a way in, but we're known to be able to climb across scaffolds and padlocks. And
All right.
Well, it just goes to show I can pretty much do anything. You know, if I can cause illnesses like that, come on now.
only that he
Be very
cured me as well.
careful. He did what? Sorry.
He cured me as well.
Just laying his hands on you.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
That's pretty good.
Those forged fast screws pretty good, James.
Very good. They're the best.
We used to use piranha pine, and it was go like a banana.
So brittle as well, that stuff.
Yeah.
So as long as they've lined up,
Oh, okay.
We know
we're
where.
good.
we're good.
So the measurement existed.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, we're in. Don't know if we'll get a spindle down there. Fly it out into the sky. Look at that. Right, we going straight in with it?
There's a reason they don't make kites out of MDFs.
I'm going to ruin this before it's fitted.
You know what? I was just looking here. You need Ian's hammer,
I do.
Ian's impact driver.
Yeah, I think so. Well, what do I know? Get 100.
Where's James?
I'm here. Hello, mate. I love that hand. I've got to do it. I think. It's got 18 from that line down, is it?
Is the floor down already?
It's all down yet. This way. tight.
Yeah.
Take it to the back of the riser.
Take the back of the riser.
And a little bit more on it.
What's that? That's it.
Yeah.
Oh!
So it doesn't scratch it together.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
That's it. Leaven and the top one.
No, it's dead.
That's dead. No, okay. That's probably. Oh, it's this one here. Alright.
Knock it either side. Oh, mate, that goes in.
down that, cut that riser in half.
Right. Put that one in.
Force that in and then force that one in.
Yeah.
It won't make a difference on it's carpeted.
Okay.
Is that the stuff?
It's cast marked water.
Yeah.
And Aerolite 306 was the one you mixed up with an acid.
That's it, yeah. Which you used more in joinery in the shop.
Alright.
Getting into mechanics mode now.
Yeah.
Everything, whatever you want. Do you know what? There's one thing that I thought of this morning that I haven't got. Some stop bead. Must be another short one like that one.
Spot on.
Yeah. This way.
There's a hole out.